Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail you have seen what we are doing, so let's go and I'll show you what to do, where to do and how to do. We are after is this window switch, the switch itself. If the switch is bad, I'll show you how to get to the switch. Let's go, let's do it. But first, the tools we're gonna need. These are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need pry tools, like different kind of type of pry tools. You will need a pick, just a small pick, an O-ring pick. If it's a cornered pick, even better. And a Phillips screwdriver plus, so a plus screwdriver. That's it. Let's go do the job. And first, we need to remove this cover and this cover. I have it nicely painted, but don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. There we go, the door is gutted. That's for the window, that's the light. Now let's start here. This is the switch, right here. Here is the handle, this is the switch, so we have 3 screws. That's holding the switch on or in. So we're gonna pull out this all and unscrew it properly. We're just gonna remove all this from the panel. It's not too hard because you have a tab here. Here's a tab, here's a tab, here's a tab. Actually, yeah. Here's a tab here, there. That's it. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. We're gonna remove them. Ta-da! So this is your window switch. It's sitting in here. You can see it's literally you pull these tabs, push this inwards to get it out, and it slides in like this from the back, and then you put the front down. That's it. That's how you disassemble. And obviously it's in reverse. You put a new one, you slide this first in, put the screws back in again, slide it in here. From the other side you will need to do two-handed. I won't be able to show you. You slide that in here, in this gap, Make sure it clicks in these. Here it clicks and in these it clicks. Let me finish doing that and then I'll show you how to put it back on the car. Before we put things on, we need to check if we have all the tabs around. So you can see I have 1, 2 missing from this side. So you can see them here. I don't have new replacement tabs, so I need to wait till Monday or 2 days to have new tabs. Then I'll remove this and put them back in. Basically what you do is, you see this lip here, you slide them in and they hook. But like this will be now good for now. So how we gonna do this? As I cannot show you, I need both hands to attach this panel. I'll put a GoPro on the side and you will see from the side. I'll thread this in, I'll put the lamp in, and I plug the connector for the window switch. And this will be on the side, and then I'll just put it back up like here. And we go from the top and down, so we can hook on this edge. And then we clip each other in. So let's go to the GoPro. Now what we do is see if the holes match. Here, there, you can't really see it. There you go. There's a hole, and right there, there is a hole. So now we can or push like this. Make sure with your fingers that there isn't a gap, so you can't pull the door back out again yourself. It should all sit flush like this. So all should be flush and nothing should be sticking out. Go with your fingers all along. Check. Everything is sitting correctly. Everything's sitting right. Now the screws. We can put the screws in here, here, here. Put the panels back in and done. And pew! Done. And that's all. And that's how you do it. It's not too hard, it's not too difficult. If I can do it one half-handed, you can do it easily. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.